Hello everyone, welcome to Edumania. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about micro, small and medium scale enterprises MSMEs in India and the role of MSMEs in India. It is one of the concept of unit and entrepreneurship paper to management. So let's get started. These are generally emerging as a dynamic and vibrant sector of Indian economy, since 5 decades, that is 50 years. Since 50 years, they have been emerging as a dynamic and vibrant sector of economy, and a micro, small, and medium enterprises also have saved India during the recession during 2008. So, as per the MSME Act 2006, there are two types of MSMEs, that is, one manufacturing and MSME, and another is service MSME. Manufacturing MSME is that MSME which produces goods and services, that is, adds final value to the final product. It is not, with the help of plant and machinery, it is nothing but the manufacturing MSMEs, whereas service MSMEs refers to the services they are going to render. If MSMEs are rendering the services, then they are called as service MSMEs. The 2006 Act of MSME, the main purpose is in order to promote, encourage, develop, and increase the competitiveness of MSMEs. So, small, medium, and large scale enterprises are like a backbone for the industrial development. They contribute around 5% in GDP of India. They contribute 5% of gross domestic product of India, and 40% of the manufacturing output which is there in India comes from MSMEs, and 45% of exports that India is making are from MSMEs. So it is very important from the UGC net point of view. You have to remember all these things. So next, the largest share of employment after the agriculture is also because of MSMEs. They produce a diverse range of products and services, and they also help in the growth of the country. They are like a nursery for entrepreneurship and innovation. So next, emergence, how these micro, small and medium scale enterprises have emerged. These are based upon the Gandhi model and encouraged by MSME Act 2006. So during the pre-liberalization era, that is before 1991, India has adopted Industrial Policy Resolution 1948 that defined the role of state in industrial development for the first time. So during the pre-liberalization era, the definition of the role of state of industrial development for the first time was done. And next, at this time, India has recorded the highest priority to small and medium enterprises. So at this time only it has accorded the highest priority for small and medium enterprises. So there are in spite of having numerous policies and protections, MSMEs are still remain small and technologically backward. Even having, there are so many policies for MSMEs, even having that policies too, MSMEs have mostly remained technologically backward and very small. So scenario of small scale sectors have changed with industrial policy established in 1991. So it is the point you have to remember. The scenario of SSS, that is small scale sectors, have changed with the industrial policy 1991. Liberalization came into existence in this era, and it was post liberalization era, that is 1991 to 2006, that is post liberalization era 1991 to 2006 reflected the growth of small scale industry. So in this era, the growth of small scale industries took place, and in the 1991 growth of SSS was almost 3 times. That is, in 1991 the growth of industry, small scale industries, are almost 3 times that of the total industry sector. And in 1995 there is a little low again, and in the 1996 there is increase in the small scale industries. So it is all about emergence. Next, coming to types, there are two types of enterprises, MSMEs. that is manufacturing MSMEs and service MSMEs. So we will divide them into micro, small and medium based upon the investment they have done on the plant and machinery. So micro has invested around 25 lakhs in the manufacturing, and coming to service sector 10 lakhs. Small scale, the investment is around 5 crores. So in the service it is 2 crores, and medium it is rupees 10 crores in the manufacturing sector, and in the service sector it is around 5 crores. So what is manufacturing enterprise? Micro enterprise is, it is a small business. It employs the people who are less than or equal to 10, and the investment is from between 5 to 25 lakhs, and it operates not by choice but because of the necessity. This micro small enterprises has arisen. And coming to small scale enterprise, the employment is around 11 less than or equal to 50 people, and the investment is around 25 to 5 crores and 25 lakhs to 5 crores, and it operates to earn profits. So in the manufacturing sector, what is medium scale enterprise? It employs around 250 people, max 250 people, and the investment will be around 5 to 10 crores, and it operates to gain the huge amount of profit and to earn their standard of living. So service enterprises, micro is, the investment is 10 lakhs, and small is 10 lakhs to 5 crores, sorry 2 crores, and medium is 2 crores to 5 crores. So coming to the characteristics of MSMEs, so you have to remember all these things, the investments which are asked in UGC NET examinations. So you have to remember the investment that is in the manufacturing sector the MSME is doing, and in the service sector the MSME is doing. And next to characteristics of MSMEs, they have low cost of production, they have high capacity of innovation and high capacity of exports and high generation of employment capabilities, and they also help in reduction of regional imbalances. So role of MSME in India, what is the role of this micro, small and medium enterprises in India is, they help in employment generation to the people, and they help in production of various goods and services, and they also contribute to the exports, and they also helps in utilizing the resource optimally, and they also help in contributing to the gross domestic product of the country. And what are the problems faced by MSMEs? MSMEs are facing the following problems. They have financial problems, that is only 30% of the credit they are getting, and there is a scarcity of the raw materials and technological problems. There is even less managerial problem is also there, and there are less advertisements, so that there is a less awareness about MSMEs. So what are the suggestions of improvement or the betterment for MSMEs is, you have to supply the technology, create the awareness about MSMEs, provide the venture capital, involvement of the stakeholders should be there, and interaction with the research and development sector should be there. So the contribution of MSME is about 13 million MSMEs producing more than 8,000 products, and 10% of exports. There is about 31 million of employment generation and 45% of industrial production. This is contribution, it is given by MSMEs, and these are the banks that are providing the loans to MSMEs: Small Industry Development Bank of India, SIDBI, IDBI, Rajasthan Financial Corporation, Asian Development Bank. This is a revised classification of MSME. So you can see it based upon the investment and turnover, they have classified MSME. So in the manufacturing service sector, investment is less than rupees 1 crore and turnover less than 5 crores. Small is investment less than 10 crores and turnover less than 50 crores. Medium investment is less than 20 crores and turnover is less than 10 crores. So at present there are 36.1 million units of MSME in India, and employment generation is around 120 millions, and 45% of export is contributed by the help of MSME, and 6.11% of manufacturing GDP is from MSME, and 24.63% of services are rendered by GDP or rendered by this MSME, and the growth rate is 10% on average annually, and 50% of India GDP by 2024 is comes from will be given by MSME, as per the study conducted by Confederation of Indian Industry. There is a study conducted by Confederation of Indian Industry, and it says that about 50% of Indians GDP will be only because of MSME by 2024. So this is all about MSMEs and the role of MSMEs. So in this unit, it is important to learn about the investments and turnovers, the percentages you have to remember. Hope this lecture is clear to you. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe, do like, comment, share our channel. Thank you.